So I'm watching this new Netflix K-drama. The title is My Demon. And actually, okay naman yung kwento niya. Parang it's something very common. Although, of course, demon yung character nila dito. Hindi Grim Reaper, which is the usual. Pero one thing that I love about the show is the chemistry. Sobrang cute ng chemistry ng Kim Yoo Jung dito at ni Seo Kang Jun. And speaking of Kim Yoo Jung, ako lang ba yung medyo na-weirdohan na CEO yung role niya dito? Like, why? Parang bagay pa rin sa kanya maging high school student. Anyway, sobrang hot ni Song Kang dito. Like, no doubt. Kahit na Grim Reaper yung atake niya dito, sobrang pogi niya dito. At si Kim Yoo Jung naman, as always, very elegant, very maganda. Like, CEO vibe. By the way, the story gives me like this childhood story, yung Godfather Death. Parang ganun yung style nung kwento niya. It's about a demon na nakikipag-deal sa mga tao, tas eventually babawian niya yung buhay. And parang ganun yung mangyayari sa kanilang dalawa. I'm still not sure kasi medyo naguluhan ako sa ending ng episode 1. I think yun yung pa-plot twist nila given that it's a K-drama. By the way, I think it have 16 episodes so marami mangyayari sa kwento neto. And I'm still waiting for more. I feel like marami pa silang ikakwento, marami pang mangyayari sa K-drama na to. So definitely, you should not miss this K-drama, mukhang maganda.